Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learning UI/UX design. Today's is learn as a additional Gestalt principles. First, what are a Gestalt principle? Gestalt principles are as a design the rules and explain how the peoples is naturally as a organized and as a understand the virtual information. And there is a help a designer to create the interface and that are easy to understand and use. And the Gestalt's meanings as a closure, as a common fact, as a communities, and as a similarity and symmetry and the proximity. And a main Gestalt's principle first as a proximity. Proximity is the element is placed close together are seen as a related. Example as a product names and as a price place is close together and show the figures as a product image names and as a rates and the prices together. And second is a similarity. The element with a same color shape or as a size are seen as bloomings together. And the examples all the navigations icons have a same styles and so as homes categories card and the profile says the same colors and size. uh, Third is a continuity is eyes is naturally as a follow the lines and the or as a parts. And the example as a step by step as a check out the progress bar first second third and the fourth. And fourth is a closure. Brains is fills in missing the parts of a space. And the example a logo with small gaps that still look as a complete. Fifth is the common regions as an element inside a same box or as a areas are as a grouped as a together. And the example as a logging fields inside one card and show the figures of the logging inside the card as a email password and the logging button. Six is a uniform contactness as a connectness as connected elements are as scenes as related. And the example as a checkout the steps is connected by a line as a cart after as a shopping and after the payment and so the message is done. Seventh is a focal point as a unique element is attract attention first. And the example as a bright is a buy now buttons and show the figure to buy now buttons is a color change and the bright color. 8 is a figure ground as a user is distinguishes the main object from a background. And the examples of white product card on as a gray background and the white as a card colors as a white and the background colors as a gray. Why are a Gestalt principles is important? Is improve our readabilities as a help the user as understand the information quickly, as a organize the content clearly, as a make the interface and more interactive, and as a improve overall users experience. And the examples in the shopping applications as a common reasons is a product details inside of one card and uniform contactness is check out the steps is connected by a progress line as a focal point is a bright as a buy now button. Figure ground product card is stand out of from as a background. And the pregnancies is clean the layouts with a simple navigation. And the second topic is the additional visuals designs principle. First is to now to understand additional visual designs element as a before as to learn as a visual designs element is a color shape icons buttons and also as this and tr- and this is the topics is a visual design principle. First, as a contrast is a make the important element is a standouts. Second is a balance as a distributes visuals as a weights e- evenly and can be as a systematically or as a asymmetrically. And third is alignments as keep the elements is lined up as needs and create cleans and as a professional layouts. And fourth is a repetitions as reuse the colors font and as a style and the create a consistencies throughout the designs. Fifth is the white space and the navigates spaces as an empty space around the element as a prevent a cluster and as a improve a focus. Six is the scales as a use the different size to show the importance and larger element is attract a more attentions. And seventh is emphasize as draw the attentions to a most important element and the examples as a bright buy now button. 8 is a hierarchy as a organize the information from most to lasted importance and users as naturally read most prominent item first. And ninth is unity as consistency as make all the screens as look like they as belongs together and the user as a consistent the colors topographies spacings and the icons. And 10th is a rhymes create a predictable flow by repeating virtual elements and help users to scan the interface as a comfortably. Thank you guys to watch our videos. Please subscribe the channel on the notification and bell icon.